Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. Get put together, y'all. Yes, I am. Alrighty, everyone. Say hi. Say hi. I know I'm looking a little wild right now, but that's okay. Say hello. I am the Shyann Kid. Reborn by TT, Babies and Kids Unlimited. Reborn Nursery. And you guys, this is done by hand. One of a kind. Work of art. So yes. And so what I usually do, I wash their hair before I assemble them. So that's what we're doing right now. And her hair is thick, y'all. It is thick, okay? I avoid touching the face. So I don't want to mess up my work. I usually don't have a problem with this shampoo though, but you know, just in case, I still try to avoid hitting the face with the soap. Say yes. Hold on. Look at her, y'all. Hey, look at her. All right, you ready to go? Yes, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Get it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean. I am. Get it clean. I am. Down. Clean my hair. Down. Clean my hair. Yeah, good. You ought to stick here. Yes. Yes. Alrighty. How we looking, princess? They wipe your eyebrows down. They wipe your eyebrows down. Yeah. There we go. So you quit looking out wild and stuff. You gonna be good while I put you together. Yes, TT. You show. Yes, TT. Alright. Alrighty, y'all. She got that hair clean. She got that hair clean. Yeah. Alrighty, good. Let's get all this water out. Get the water out, TT. Alrighty. So I got my hair clean. Alrighty, say don't go nowhere. Alrighty. I will be getting this princess to say hi, everybody. Put together. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. Alrighty. The eye's about to get put together, y'all. Yes, I am. Keep an eye out on my page for when I post Reborn babies available. It's random. I can post it anywhere, so make sure you guys are following me on all of my platforms. Facebook, what you're on right now, is Babies and Kids Unlimited, Reborn Nursery. Instagram is Babies and Kids Unlimited, and YouTube is Reborn Artist Life. Yeah, I'm being ghetto with it, y'all. That's how you grab stuff when you don't want to get up. Okay? I need my y'all. Hi. Hey, mama. Say hi, girl. Hey. Happy birthday. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. I am Shyann. Hey! Clap, 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 clap. Say clap, clap, TT. Clap, clap, TT. Alrighty. And then we're going to what TT do with the scissors, girl? I don't know, T. There they go. There they go, girl. They're light drowning you out, ain't it? oh. TT on her grind, trying to shine. Oh, hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. Oh, this is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist. Family entertainment. Oh, unlimited fun. Oh, reborn babies. Mukbang, yeah. Vlog maybe. I'm just throwing some stuff in.